functions h and f are given by h of x is x squared plus 2x and f of x is x plus 1. So we were told that if h of x minus f of x is 5, determine the value of x. Now we have h of x minus f of x is equal to 5. So we're going to use this to determine the value of x. First of all, what is h of x? It is given as what? X squared plus 2x. So I'm going to substitute this for h of x. So that will be x squared plus 2x. Now, what about this? Minus, now there's a catch here. F of x is x plus 1. But if you write x plus 1 like this, of course, this is wrong. So let's enclose this in a bracket because this minus is affecting everything, x and plus 1. So it's equal to 5. Now, when you remove the bracket, you're going to have x squared plus 2x minus x and then minus 1. So you have, if you subtract 5 from both sides, you have minus 5 here and this is equal to 0. Okay, so let's make this simplified. Now, if we simplify further, we're going to have 2x minus x is plus x, minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 and it's equal to 0. Now, this is the quadratic equation. So let us factorize this. If you want to do that, you'll multiply the first and the last term. X squared and minus 6 is going to be minus 6x squared. We want to test it. So think of two factors. When you multiply, you will get minus 6x squared. And when you add the two factors, you're going to get plus 6. So what are they now? I think we can use minus 3x. No, sorry. We can use 3x minus 2x. Let's test this. 3x minus 2x is x. 3x times minus 2x is minus 6x squared. So we can use that. Now I'm going to replace plus x with this 2. Let's do that. So we have x squared plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Look at the first two terms. What's common? X. So you have x plus 3. And look at the last two terms. What's common? Minus 2. So you have minus 2, open a bracket. Then that will be x. Now, minus 2 into minus 6 is going to be plus 3. Now, this and this are common. So let's factorize again. That will be x plus 3. And then x minus 2 is equal to 0. So it means that x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. So we can say x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now, if you take 3, if you subtract 3 from both sides, you're going to have this minus 3 here. Or if you add 2 to both sides, x will be equal to 2. So the values of x here are negative 3 or 2. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like this video, share it, and follow for more. Thank you.